Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple border. Previous video we made this corner to corner boxes triangle shawl, and this time I want to make this border. You can use this border also which project you want. It's so simple and so fast crocheting, I promise that. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple cute border. Let's start to crochet. You remember we made this corner to corner boxes triangle shawl previous video, and I want to make a border on it in this video. I use again cotton yarns and 4mm hook again. First of all, we start with a slip knot. Then I start my shawl. This is our ending side, the widest part, and I want to start the triangles one line here. And make here a single crochet. Then make one more. Insert into that stitch and make a single. Insert into that post, make two single. In the stitch, one single crochet. In the post, two single crochet. I choose that color, you can see that more easily. In the stitch, one. In the post, two. In stitch, one single crochet. In the post, two single crochet. I come to the corner, I will turn to you. I come to corner, we start one box from this part is our starting point. So I made here 1, 2 and 3 single crochet and turn it to easily. Then turn back to second side and 1 in stitch, 2 in post, 1 and 2, 1 in stitch, 2 in post. I complete this side and turn to you. I come at the end and both two sides we turn with the single crochet. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and turn my work. 3, 4 double crochet, 2, 4 space. Yarn over and insert into the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make a V stitch here. Chain 1, skip 1 and 2, yarn over, insert into the third stitch and make here V again, double, chain 2 and make one more double. Chain 1, skip 2, insert into the third one, make a V stitch. Chain 1, skip 2, insert into the third stitch, make a V, double crochet, chain 2 and make one more double crochet in the same stitch. Make a V stitch. When I come to corner, I will turn to you. I come to corner part and you can see chain 1, skip 2 and I come to first of that 3 single crochet. In that corner I insert into that third stitch again, make a V, chain 2, make one more double in the same stitch, skip 1 stitch this time, chain 1 and insert into the second stitch and make one more V for easy turning on that corner. Chain 1, then keep crocheting again, skip 2, insert into the third one and make your V stitches. Chain 1, skip 2, insert into third one, make a double, chain 2, make one more double. So on the corner, the starting box, we made here 2 V stitch. Okay, I complete this line and turn to you. I come at the end, chain 1, skip 2 and insert into the first stitch and make here my last V stitch. Here we complete. Now turn my work. This time I need to come into that V stitch. So make one slip stitch. Come to the chain 2 space. Chain 3, count as the first double crochet. Yarn over and make one more double in the same chain 2 space. Chain 2, yarn over, come to next chain 2 space and make 2 double. Chain 2, yarn over, skip these stitches and come to next space, make 2 double. Chain 2, come chain 2 space, make 2 double crochets. I do my doubles, come to the corner, I will turn to you. I come to corner, you know we have 2 V stitch here. Do the same thing, chain 2, come to next chain 2 space, make 2 double. Chain 2, this time one difference, we will make 2 double crochets between of that 2 V. Chain 2 and make 2 double in the second V stitch of the corner. We turn the corner easily. Then chain 2 and do the same and make 2 doubles every chain 2 space. Between of them 2 chains you have. I complete this row after turn to you. I complete this row and turn my work. Now again make one slip stitch into that between of these 2 double crochets. Come to I did it. We need a slip stitch. Coming to these 2 double crochets between of them. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, insert into the between of that 2 doubles and make a single. Then in chain 2 space make one more single crochet. Then come to this between of these 2 double crochets and make a single. 1, 2, 3, 4 and make one more single crochet. We start to make picots. Make one single crochet in the chain 2 space, then come to between of them and make a single. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make one more single in the same place, then make one more single crochet in chain 2 space. Between of these 2 doubles, first of all make a single, then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make one more single crochet, then come to chain 2 space and make one more single. I come to the corner like that after turn to you. I come to corner part, insert into the between of these 2 doubles, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, insert into the same space and make a single. Then insert your hook, chain 2 space and make a single. Then come to second set of these doubles between of them and make a single. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make one more single. Then come to this chain 2 space, make a single and do the same thing on the last set, single, 4 chains and make one more single. Then come to chain 2 space and make a single. Come to next two doubles between of them, make a single 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make a picot here like that. This is the corner. This is simple border, but I think it's fit to that because here boxes and this is like boxes again, and so easy. You can use that border on your blankets. I complete this side after turn to you. I complete my border. I hope you like it. It's so simple. Again, I said you can use this border everywhere. I choose this color because I want to show you easily. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.